As NATO holds its annual summit on Tuesday in Vilnius, Lithuania, some observers say it would be a wake-up call to the peace-loving nations to take a glimpse of what the military bloc has done since the end of the Cold War. Analysts say that a long list of bloody wars and conflicts involving NATO countries suggests the bloc is more than a grave challenge to global peace and stability. Since 1999, the bloc has made 6 eastward expansions, advancing more than 1,000 kilometers all the way to the Russian border, thereby pushing Russia into a corner. Even after the Ukraine crisis began, NATO has not slowed its pace, with Finland officially accepted as the 31st member in April. The U.S.-led NATO was the chief culprit of a series of brutal conflicts, putting in grave peril people's lives in different parts of the world. NATO forces launched 78 days of bombardment against Yugoslavia in 1999, causing over 8,000 civilian casualties and displacing about 1 million. In the 2-decade-long Afghanistan war fought nominally to protect civilians, NATO's airstrikes killed thousands of civilians. Earlier this year, NATO announced the decision to set up a liaison office in Tokyo in 2024, which has triggered high alert among countries around the world, not least in the Asia-Pacific region. Analysts have warned that Washington was plotting to create a replica of NATO in the Asia-Pacific region.